This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Vick Dyer. Beautiful private home with professional landscape and garden. Screened porch. Master suite on main floor. Hardwood floors on main. Open floor plan, breakfast area, and family room. 2-bedroom suite with full bath. Addt living area west/bedroom and bath. Tons of storage including walk-in attic, rec room, office, bedroom, and full bath and walkout basement with private patio. Spacious 3-car garage with extra driveway space. New roof, new gutters, new porch screen, and new garage doors. For more information, review the details below.